Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we dive into the world of cryptocurrency and explore the latest trends and insights. I'm your host today, and we're going to discuss a very interesting development in the Bitcoin market. Bitcoin recently surpassed $95,000, marking a significant 7-day rally that's taken the cryptocurrency above $90,000 for the first time since early March. And what's even more intriguing is that the fundamentals of Bitcoin have turned bullish, according to crypto analyst Willy. This could be a great setup for the cryptocurrency to reach new highs. So, let's break down why Willy thinks this is a good sign. He believes that capital flows into the network are increasing, but total and speculative flows have bottomed out. When both align, they create a bullish environment based on solid fundamentals. This is music to the ears of Bitcoin bulls everywhere, who have been waiting for a strong setup to take the cryptocurrency to new heights. But what exactly does this mean? Well, Willy risk model indicator has begun to trend back down, implying that liquidity may be returning to the market. In this environment, downside pullbacks are expected to be muted, which is great news for investors looking to get in on the action. And while medium-term targets of $90,000 and $93,000 have been taken out tactically, Wu's still keeping an eye on a bigger target, $108,000. Now, we know that reaching $108,000 might be a lofty goal, but Willy not ruling it out entirely. He's even set a new interim target of $103,000 as a more achievable option. And while there's always some risk involved in investing in Bitcoin, Wu believes that this is a solid long-term setup. But before we get too excited, let's take a closer look at the short-term outlook. Willy observed that the short-term on-chain VWAP indicator is at +3 standard deviations, which implies that it may be hard to move upward with decent momentum due to overextension. In other words, we might see some sideways movement or a slow grind upward in the coming days. So, what's the bottom line? Despite the current profit-taking, Wu predicts that Bitcoin could be poised for another all-time high if the capital flow trend continues. And while there are certainly risks involved, this is definitely a solid long-term setup to keep an eye on. At Bitcoin Bulletin, we'll continue to monitor this situation closely and bring you updates as more information becomes available. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.